Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update on my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have filmed this makeup tutorial which is a perfect holiday look. It is a all plum slash berry toned makeup tutorial. It's a beautiful soft smoky eye with a nice pop of plum shade lip color. You could even call this a fall makeup tutorial, and if you are interested, please keep watching till the end. So first I'm going to go in with a concealer for my under eye, and I'm using the Pac Cosmetics concealer. It is number 8, and I'm going to mix it with a mixing medium. The mixing medium is also by Pac Cosmetics. It's called a makeup blender. So I mix the two and I'm going to apply it under my eyes to conceal my eyes. I also like to use a concealer on the eyelids because as you can see there is a slight discoloration on the eyelids, but make sure you don't apply too much of it because then it's going to crease. Oh, that's my cat Risha, and she literally has to come in anywhere and whatever, like she has to come in between anything that I do. Thank you for moving. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to apply the same concealer on the forehead, around my mouth, on the laugh lines, and on any blemishes. Now that the concealer is done, we gotta move to the foundation. I'm using the Pac Cosmetics HD foundation number 3.5. Have applied a few drops across my face, and I'm going to blend it into my skin using the NYX Cosmetics foundation brush. It is an angular brush and it is perfect for foundation application. Now before the under eye creases, I usually tend to set it with a setting powder, for which I'm using the Ben Eye Luxury Banana Powder. I'm going to use that only for my eye area. And for the rest of my face, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Compact Powder. Next, I'm using the Victoria's Secrets bronzer. I have been loving this bronzer lately because this has got a nice peach tone to it. So I also apply it on the apples of my cheeks. It's perfect for bronzing, trust me. Moving on to highlighting, I'm using the Pac Cosmetics highlighter number 3. It's beautiful for dusky complexion girls like me. Usually the highlighter is applied on the cheekbones, bridge of your nose, the cupid's bow, and a little bit above your brows because those are the high planes of your face. So now moving on to the eyes. First I would like to groom my eyebrows, for which I'm using the Benefit Browser Go-Go powder. Then for the eyelids, first I'm going to use the Inglot Brown Precision Pencil. This is number 21. I am going to apply this all over my lid. You don't have to worry about the application because this is just forming the base of the eyeshadow that you're going to pack on later. So just roughly apply it all over your lid first. So for the eyes today, I'm going to use Master Palette by Mario, and there's this color called NYC from the palette that I'm going to use to create this look. It is a burgundy toned shimmery eyeshadow. I am tapping it all over the lid using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now that's done, we are going to blend it out using a small blending brush. It is an absolutely clean blending brush, there's no product on it. What it does is just diffuse the harsh line into the skin so that it looks beautiful and blended. We're going to repeat the same procedure on the other eye as well. Now I'm going to take this light brown color called Isabel and I'm going to blend it out into the crease. This will create a beautiful transition. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use the same brown pencil by Inglot and draw underneath the lash line. Mind you, I'm not applying this on the waterline. I am going under the lash line. Then with the same shade called NYC, I'm going to tap on the brown liner that we drew earlier. And then with the clean blending brush, I'm going to blend it out. This will create the same smoky effect that we created on the lid. Now comes my favorite part, which is highlighting. I'm going to highlight my brow bone, the inner corner of my eye, using this light highlighting color from the palette called Fifth Avenue. Don't forget to smudge it with the tip of your finger. Now I'm going to use a kohl pencil on the lower waterline. I'm using the Pac Cosmetics kohl pencil called Long Lasting Kohl Pencil. I'm also going to draw a very thin line on the lid, very close to the lash line. And I'm going to go on and smudge it to give this sultry, smoky effect. Finish this look with curling your lashes and a generous amount of mascara, because that is where all the drama lies. For the lips, I'm using this lip pencil by Pac Cosmetics. It's called Infinite Kiss. I'm going to line my lips, and not only line them, but I'm going to fill it in completely with this lip liner. It is a beautiful maroon colored lip pencil, and it's got a beautiful texture as well. It's smooth and gliding. So I'm going to fill my lips, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this lipstick by Pac again. It's called Cappuccino. Take this look a notch above by applying a lip gloss. I'm using MAC Cosmetics Creme Sheen Glass Lip Gloss called Delight. And there you have it. You have this glamorous makeup look that screams fall. These plum toned colors go so well with this season that you could carry this look for Christmas, New Year's, or for any evening dinners and parties. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the bio. And I shall see you really soon. Bye guys. Take care.